Students, welcome to the online classes of chemistry. So today we will discuss about the Friedel-Crafts reaction. So here Friedel-Crafts reaction, look here in Friedel-Crafts reaction there are two types. One is Friedel-Crafts alkylation and another one is Friedel-Crafts acylation. So look here, the first reaction is Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Friedel-Crafts alkylation. So what happens here? So when chlorobenzene is treated with methyl chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, it forms ortho and para product. So here in alkylation we have to treat it with methyl chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride. So look here students, here when this chlorobenzene is treated with methyl chloride, chlorobenzene is treated with methyl chloride, so here anhydrous aluminum chloride, look here students, this anhydrous aluminum chloride plays very important role, and here if you won't write this anhydrous aluminum chloride, so then you won't get marks. So here it forms, look here, one ortho H and one para H is removed here and it divides into two parts, and here it forms 2HCl plus it forms Cl CH3 plus Cl CH3. Look here, it is called as 1-chloro-2-methyl benzene or orthochlorotoluene, and here it is 1-chloro-4-methyl benzene, or it is also called as parachlorotoluene. So here it is called as Friedel-Crafts alkylation. So here the statement very simple, when chlorobenzene is treated with methyl chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, it gives ortho and para products. So ortho and para products. Otherwise you write the name 1-chloromethylbenzene and 1-chloro-4-methylbenzene. So it is here alphabetical order, according to the alphabetical order. So chloro first comes first and then methyl M. So 1-chloro-4-methylbenzene. And here also same. So according to alphabetical order, so chloro comes first and then methyl. It is called as 1-chloro-2-methylbenzene. So you may write this much, it is enough. Ortho and para products. Or you may write that is 1-chloro-2-methylbenzene and 1-chloro-4-methylbenzene. Then students, here the second reaction, Friedel-Crafts acylation. Friedel-Crafts acylation. Look here, when this chlorobenzene is treated with acetyl chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, it again forms ortho and para derivative. So here I will show here the reaction. Look here students, when this chlorobenzene is treated with acetyl chloride, it is called as acetyl chloride, and here it divides parts, and here ortho and para position. Then here in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, it gives Cl COCH3. So here it divides into COCH3 plus Cl COCH3. Look here students, it is called as estophenone, and here it is a functional group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So then it is called as 2-chloro-acetophenone, and it is 4-chloroacetophenone. 2-chloroacetophenone and 4-chloroacetophenone. And according to the IUPAC system, it is called as ethanone, and here it is, so it is 1-phenyl chloroethanone. You may also write this. So here it is Friedel-Crafts acylation and Friedel-Crafts alkylation. So statement very simple. When chlorobenzene is treated with acyl chloride, it gives earth and para products. That is right its name, earth and para products. Otherwise you write the names, that is 2-chloroacetophenone and 4-chloroacetophenone. Students, it is about Friedel-Crafts reaction. And then after this Friedel-Crafts reaction, let us see reaction with metals. Reaction with metals. Look here. Reaction with metal, there are two types of reaction. That is, first one is a Wurtz-Fittig reaction. Wurtz-Fittig reaction, and another one is a Fittig reaction. So what is Wurtz-Fittig reaction? We know already in haloalkanes we studied Wurtz reaction. When two same alkyl halides treated with sodium in presence of dry ether, so higher alkanes are formed. And same type here, Wurtz-Fittig. So Wurtz-Fittig means when aryl halide, a mixture of aryl halide and alkyl halide are treated with sodium in presence of dry ether, so it forms alkyl arenes. So it is called as Wurtz-Fittig reaction. When a mixture of alkyl halide and aryl halides are treated with sodium metal in presence of dry ether, alkyl arenes are formed. Look here students, here I will write first. So I will write aryl halide, it is aryl halide plus 2Na plus Rx, alkyl halide. So here 2NaX is removed, plus here it forms alkyl arene. It is alkyl, it is arene. Alkyl arene. So I will take an example here. When chlorobenzene is treated with 2Na plus methyl chloride plus methyl chloride in presence of dry ether so it forms 2NaCl plus CS3 toluene is formed. Look here students, it is the example here. So when chlorobenzene is treated with methyl chloride in presence of dry ether, so it forms toluene. So it is alkyl arene. So it is, I have written general example and also there is an example for this. It is chlorobenzene. It is methyl chloride or chloromethane. Methyl chloride or chloromethane. So here it forms a toluene. So it is called as Weber-Fittig reaction. And the last one is Fittig reaction. So what is Fittig reaction? Look here, I think it is clear to you all. Fittig reaction. So look here, when two same aryl halides are treated with sodium in presence of dry ether, when two same aryl halides are treated with sodium metal in presence of dry ether, adios diphenyl. Look here students, when two same aryl halides are treated with sodium metal in presence of dry ether, it gives diphenyl. So I will write an example here. Aryl halide plus 2Na and another one aryl halide. Then these two are removed. 2NaX plus it gives it is called as diphenyl. It is called as a diphenyl. So write an example. Chlorobenzene plus 2Na plus chlorobenzene in presence of dry ether so 2NaCl is removed, 2NaCl plus here it gives diphenyl. Students, here this diphenyl also written like this. You may also write like this, diphenyl. So here all the reactions of haloarenes are completed. Now the last one is polyhalogen compounds. So then students, what are polyhalogen compounds? What are polyhalogen compounds? Let us discuss this polyhalogen compounds with example. Students, look here. What are polyhalogen compounds? They may ask for 1 marks or 2 marks question. So here the carbon compounds containing more than 1 halogen atoms are called as polyhalogen compounds, and these compounds are useful in industry as well as in agriculture and even in also it is laboratories and in also medical field. So here let us see one by one. The first one is dichloromethane. It is called as methylene chloride. Its formula is CH2Cl2. So then here it is a colorless liquid with a pleasant smell or with a sweet smell, pleasant or sweet smell, and it is widely used as a solvent, as a paint remover. So that is, it is easily remove the paint, and in the manufacture of drugs it is also used as a metal cleaning and finishing solvent. It is used to clean the metal surface. So it is used as a solvent to clean the metal surface, and it harms the human central nervous system, and exposure to the lower level of methylene chloride causes impaired hearing and vision, and higher level of methylene chloride in air causes dizziness, nausea, tingling and numbing in the fingers. So it is here, that is the numbness in the finger, and then it is direct contact with eyes, even it can burn the eyes, cornea. It can burn the cornea. That's why, so these should be used carefully in the laboratory. So then next one is very familiar to you all, that is trichloromethane chloroform. So here it is very important one, trichloromethane or chloroform CHCl3. It is used as a solvent for many organic compounds like fats, alkalides, iodine and other substances. And here it is used in the production of Freon refrigerant R22, and it was previously used as a general anesthetic in surgery, and nowadays it has been replaced by another one, safest, less toxic anesthetic, that is called as ether. So nowadays we are using ether. And after this, so that is here, it also damages to the kidney. So look here, so here this chloroform damages liver and kidney. So it damages liver and kidney. And here when it is inhaled in small quantity, that is 900 parts, so it causes a dizziness, it causes nausea. So sometimes it causes a vomiting sensation. So therefore, whenever this chloroform combines with air, it slowly forms a carbonyl chloride, that is called as phosgene. It is a poisonous gas. So remember students, here in presence of air, it slowly reacts with air. Look here, when chloroform, it slowly reacts with air, and then it forms a poisonous gas CHCl3 plus, that is in air, that is in oxygen, it slowly reacts, it forms, look here, 2COCl2. It is called as phosgene. It is called as phosgene, or it is also called as carbonyl chloride. It is also called as carbonyl chloride, and then remaining, that is it forms 2HCl. So it is here Cl 3 to the 6 and 2 to the 4, 6, hydrogen is 2. It is called as phosgene, or it is also called as carbonyl chloride. So in the CET exam, once this question was asked, what happens when chloroform is slowly reacts with air, and which poisonous gas is formed? The poisonous gas formed is called as phosgene. It is also called as carbonyl chloride. So then here these uses of these organic compound in the laboratory are very dangerous, because sometimes unknowingly these will be inhaled and it causes nausea, or sometimes it damages kidney, liver, that is when it is inhaled in much quantity. So then triiodomethane students. The next one is a triiodomethane. So students, here another one, triiodomethane. So it is also called as iodoform, and its formula is CHI3. It is a pale yellow crystalline volatile substance. So it was earlier used as an antiseptic. Still today in sports, in athletic, they are using iodine. So this is also called as a tincture iodine. So here it is volatile substance, is earlier used as an antiseptic due to the liberation of free iodine, and due to its objectionable smell, it has some pungent smell. Its smell is not good, due to objectionable smell, it has been replaced by other formulation containing iodine. So that is iodine containing other, that is antiseptics we are using nowadays. So it has some pungent smell. And the next one is carbon tetrachloride or tetrachloromethane or CCl4. It is a volatile liquid immiscible with water. It is insoluble in water, only soluble in organic solvent. It is also used as a very good solvent for oils and fats and in many organic reactions. And then it is used in the manufacture of refrigerant and propellants for aerosol cans. Aerosol cans can be prepared here. And it is used in the synthesis of CFCs, chlorofluorocarbons, chlorofluorocarbons, which are used in air condition and refrigeration, and dry cleaning agent and in the fire extinguisher. So effect of CCl4 on human health and environment. So excessive exposure to carbon tetrachloride may cause health effect on the brain, digestive system, even that is eyes, kidney, skin, liver. So while using that is organic compounds, one must take care that these are very dangerous one, because these are volatile compounds, their vapors may slowly go into the body. So then exposure to CCl4 may also cause heartbeat irregularity and may it stop sometimes. So smelling of organic compound is very dangerous. So we should not take the odor of the organic compound directly. So then it also deflects the ozone layer. So it affects the ozone layer, and it allows when the ozone layer is deflected, then the harmful ultraviolet rays reaches to the earth, and then it causes skin cancer. So then after this, the fifth one, freons. What are freons? They may ask for 1 mark or 2 mark question. What are freons? The chlorofluorocompounds of methane and ethane. The chlorofluorocompounds of methane and ethane are called as freons. So students, here freons means that is these are unreactive. Look here, these are unreactive and these are non-toxic, and these are collected first, that is in the upper level, and they slowly rises up and they reaches to the stratosphere, and then they deflect the ozone layer. That's why in some countries the air conditioned refrigeration is banned. So here in air conditioned refrigeration we are using Freon 12, Freon 11 like this. Look here students. So here these are non-toxic and these are easily liquefiable, and these are used in air conditioned refrigeration. So Freon 12, it is called as CCl2F2, CCl2F2, and even we are using Freon 11 and Freon 22, and these are all prepared by using carbon tetrachloride. And this carbon tetrachloride is also used for the manufacture of this haloalkanes like Schwarz reaction. So students, there is another one that is called as very important one, DDT, dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane. So look here students, last one, that is sixth one, para PP dash para dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane. It is a trichloroethane. So that is called as DDT, dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane. It is also called as, its IUPAC name is 111 trichloro 22 bis means 2 4-chloro-phenyl ethane. Look here students, here it is the structure of DDT. So look here it is 111 trichloro 1 2. So 111 trichloro, so it is trichloro, and 2, that is bis 2. Bis means 2 phenyl group are there, 2 phenyl group are there, 2 bis 4. Look here, 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4. So that is 4 chlorophenyl. So bis means 2 4, that is 4 chlorophenyl ethane. So bis means it is common to, that is 4 and also chlorophenyl ethane. So here this DDT is the first chlorinated organic pesticide. It is the first chlorinated organic pesticide, and it is also used as an insecticide, and what was prepared in 1873, and its properties were first identified by P.H. Muller in 1939, and he got Nobel Prize for this. And then DDT is extensively used as an agriculture pesticide and effective against mosquitoes, but nowadays mosquitoes make resistance for DDT and they will not run. They will not run away. That's why nowadays they are using BHC, benzene hexachloride. Benzene hexachloride is used. And many insects developed resistance to DDT, and it is highly toxic to fish. The chemical stability of DDT and its fat solubility makes the problem, and DDT is not metabolized very rapidly by the animals. Instead, it is deposited and stored in the fatty tissues. So, due to this reason, it causes cancer in the animals. It causes cancer in the animals. And DDT is banned in the United States in 1973, but many countries nowadays, in India also we are using DDT. It is banned only in the United States. And students, here it is prepared by using, it is called as trichloroethane. When trichloroethane is treated with, it is trichloroethane, and then it is chlorobenzene. When chlorobenzene is heated, so it forms a DDT. So they may ask in examination this structure, or you may write this or this. You may write any one structure here. This structure or this structure, both are same. So here you may write DDT structure. They ask for 1 mark question. So don't write preparation. Preparation just I written. How to that is remember these. So here it is 111 trichloro, that is 22 bis. So in bracket you write 4 chloro means that is 2 chloro is there. So bis is written here. So phenyl ethane. Or you may write simply DDT, dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane. So students, here this I completed this first topic, haloalkanes and haloarenes. So thank you very much for your cooperation. Thank you.